Cost of building 4-bedroom bungalow here in Nigeria in January 2025. In this video, I'm going to give you the estimated quantity of materials needed, estimated price of materials using the current price, that is the current price of building materials here in Nigeria in January 2025, and estimated cost of labor. Note that this is not the exact estimate you will need when building your own 4-bedroom bungalow. Estimate can be high or low depending on the following factors: the location of your building, the topography of the land, the construction method, the type of soil, the size of your building, the design of your building, and the price of building materials as at the time you're building. Here in Nigeria, the price of building materials always fluctuates. The price of building material in December 2024 is not the price of building materials now in January 2025. Also, the price of building materials differs from state to state. Take for instance, bag of cement. Here in Delta State, bag of cement currently costs 9,500 naira. In other states, it might cost 10,000 naira or 10,500 naira or 9,000 naira, but the difference is usually not much. So the best way to get a very close bill of quantity or quotation for your building is from your building plan. Once you get your building plan from your architect, you hand it over to your quantity surveyor. From the building plan, your quantity surveyor should be able to derive a very close bill of quantity. But whatever the case may be, whatever quotation they give to you, it is advisable you leave room for errors. Let's take, for instance, your quantity surveyor tells you that it's going to cost you a total of 50 million naira to build this 4-bedroom bungalow. You should budget at least 55 to 60 million naira just in case. At the end of the day, you might end up spending less than 50 million naira or 55 or 60 million naira. So always leave room for errors, okay? So this quotation I got from my engineer Mewerium. If you want a very good engineer to handle your building project, or you want a more personalized quotation, I will highly recommend engineer Mewerium. His phone number will always be on the screen, also in the description box. So yeah, let's just dive straight into the video. This particular 4-bedroom bungalow is sitting on 50 feet by 50 feet. That is 15 meters by 15 meters. That is 225 square meters if it's in square meter. Okay, now the features of this 4-bedroom bungalow are the ante room, the main living room, the dining, the kitchen, the 4-bedroom all en-suite. All the 4 bedrooms are en-suite, the visitors toilet, the lobby, and the balconies. So yeah, those are the features of this 4-bedroom bungalow. So let's just dive straight into the building from foundation to DPC. From foundation to DPC for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need 5 inches block, 2,000 pieces of 5 inches block, and a piece of 5 inches block costs 550 naira. So 550 naira multiplied by 2,000 is giving us 1,100,000 naira. We need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 3 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 210,000 naira. We need cement, 80 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 80 is giving us 760,000 naira. We need gravel, 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, and we need 2 trips, and a trip costs 170,000 naira. So 170,000 naira multiplied by 2 is giving us 340,000 naira. We need laterite, that is the filling sand. We need 30 trips, and 1 trip costs 40,000 naira. So 40,000 multiplied by 30 is giving us 1,200,000 naira. We need 12 mm rod, 40 length of 12 mm rod, and a length costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 naira multiplied by 40 is giving us 380,000 naira. We need 8 mm rod, 15 length of 8 mm rod, and a length costs 4,000 naira. So 4,000 multiplied by 15 is giving us 60,000 naira. We need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll costs 37,000 naira, giving us 37,000 naira. We need board, 60 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 60 is giving us 180,000 naira. We need 2x2 wood, 10 pieces of 2x2 wood, and a piece of 2x2 wood costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 10 is giving us 10,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag of 3 inches nail costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag of 4 inches nail costs 35,000, giving us 35,000 naira. So from foundation to DPC for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 4,347,000 naira. 4,347,000 naira. Then for workmanship, we need 800,000 naira. 800,000 naira for workmanship. So adding 800,000 naira to 4,347,000 naira is giving us 5,147,000 naira. 5,147,000 naira from foundation to DPC. And let's move over to the German floor. The German floor for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 2 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 140,000 naira. We need gravel, 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, and we need 1 trip, and a trip costs 170,000 naira, giving us 170,000 naira. We need cement, 40 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500. So 9,500 multiplied by 40 is giving us 380,000 naira. So for this German floor, we need a total of 690,000 naira. 690,000 naira. So for workmanship, we need 300,000 naira. So adding 300,000 naira to 690,000 naira, we have 990,000 naira. 990,000 naira for the German floor. Now let's move over to the lintel. Lintel for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need 5 inches block, 2,000 pieces of 5 inches block, and a piece of 5 inches block costs 550 naira. So 550 naira multiplied by 2,000 is giving us 1,100,000 naira. We need cement, 100 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500. So 9,500 multiplied by 100 is giving us 950,000 naira. We need gravel, 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper of gravel, and we need 2 trips, and a trip costs 170,000 naira. So 170,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 340,000 naira. We need board, 100 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 100 is giving us 300,000 naira. We need 2x2 wood, 100 pieces of 2x2 wood, and a piece of 2x2 wood costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 100 is giving us 100,000 naira. We need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 3 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 210,000 naira. We need 12 mm rod, 50 length of 12 mm rod, and a length costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 multiplied by 50 is giving us 475,000 naira. We need 8 mm rod, 20 length of 8 mm rod, and a length costs 4,000 naira. So 4,000 multiplied by 20 is giving us 80,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll costs 37,000 naira, giving us 37,000 naira. We need 1x5, 20 pieces of 1x5, and a piece of 1x5 costs 1,500 naira. So 1,500 multiplied by 20 is giving us 30,000 naira. So for this lintel, for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 3,692,000 naira. 3,692,000 naira. Then for workmanship, we need 1,500,000 naira. 1,500,000 naira. So when you add 1,500,000 naira to 3,692,000 naira, is giving us 5,192,000 naira. 5,192,000 naira for the lintel for this 4-bedroom bungalow. Now let's move over to the parapet. That is the concrete fissure, the 3-step concrete fissure. For the parapet, we need 12 mm rod, 50 length of 12 mm rod, and a length costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 multiplied by 50 is giving us 475,000 naira. We need 10 mm rod, 30 length of 10 mm rod, and a length costs 8,000 naira. So 8,000 multiplied by 30 is giving us 240,000 naira. We need 8 mm rod, 20 length of 8 mm rod, and a length costs 4,000 naira. So 4,000 multiplied by 20 is giving us 80,000 naira. We need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll costs 37,000 naira, giving us 37,000 naira. We need 2 inches nail, half bag of 2 inches nail, and the half bag costs 17,500, giving us 17,500 naira. We need gravel, the chippings, 5 tons of the 6-tire tipper, and we need the chippings, the small one. We need 1 trip, and a trip costs 170,000 naira, giving us 170,000 naira. We need cement, 40 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 multiplied by 40 is giving us 380,000 naira. We need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 1 trip, and a trip costs 70,000 naira, giving us 70,000 naira. We need 1x4 wood, 80 pieces of 1x4 wood, and a piece of 1x4 wood costs 800 naira. So 800 multiplied by 80 is giving us 64,000 naira. We need 1x5 wood, 80 pieces of 1x5, and a piece of 1x5 costs 1,500 naira. So 1,500 multiplied by 80 is giving us 120,000 naira. We need board, 60 pieces of board, and a piece of board costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 60 is giving us 180,000 naira. We need bamboo, 40 pieces of bamboo, and a piece of bamboo costs 700 naira. So 700 multiplied by 40 is giving us 28,000 naira. We need 2x2 wood, 40 pieces of 2x2 wood, and a piece of 2x2 wood costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 40 is giving us 40,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. So for the parapet, this 3-step concrete fissure, we need a total of 1,971,500 naira. 1,971,500 naira. Then for the workmanship, the labor, we need 600,000 naira. So 600,000 naira plus 1,971,500 naira, we have 2,571,500 naira. 2,571,500 naira. Now let's move over to the roofing, the woodwork. The roofing, we need 2 by 2 wood, 700 pieces of 2 by 2 wood, and a piece of 2 by 2 wood costs 1,000 naira. So 1,000 multiplied by 700 is giving us 700,000 naira. We need 2 by 4 wood, 800 pieces of 2 by 4 wood, and a piece of 2 by 4 wood costs 2,000 naira. So 2,000 multiplied by 800 is giving us 1,600,000 naira. We need 2 by 3 wood, 700 pieces of 2 by 3 wood, and a piece of 2 by 3 wood costs 1,600 naira. So 1,600 naira multiplied by 700 is giving us 1,120,000 naira. We need 3 by 4 wood, 650 pieces of 3 by 4 wood, and a piece of 3 by 4 wood costs 1,800 naira. So 1,800 naira multiplied by 650 is giving us 1,170,000 naira. We need 3 inches nail, 1 bag of 3 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, 1 bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. So for the roofing, the woodwork, we need a total of 4,660,000 naira. 4,660,000 naira. Then for the workmanship, we need 400,000 naira. 400,000 naira. So when you add 400,000 to 4,660,000 naira, it's giving us 5,060,000 naira. 5,060,000 naira for the roofing, the woodwork. Now let's move over to the roofing sheet. For the roofing sheet, we are using metro tiles. We need 300 square meters of metro tiles, and a square meter costs 7,000 naira. So 7,000 multiplied by 300 is giving us 2,100,000 naira. We need ridge, the top ridge, we need 40 square meters, and a square meter costs 6,500 naira. So 6,500 multiplied by 40 is giving us 260,000 naira. We need silicone gum, 4 silicone gums, and 1 silicone gum costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 4 is giving us 12,000 naira. We need 2 inches nail. This nail is different from the one we've been using, and we need 1 bag of this 2 inches nail, and a bag costs 55,000 naira, giving us 55,000 naira. So for the roofing sheet, we need a total of 2,427,000 naira. 2,427,000 naira. Then for labor, the workmanship, we need 400,000 naira. So when you add 400,000 naira to 2,427,000 naira, is giving us 2,827,000 naira. 2,827,000 naira. Now let's move over to the piping. The piping for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need 20 mm Lycosin pipe, 20 mm Lycosin pipe, and we need 7 bundles, and a bundle costs 12,000 naira. So 12,000 multiplied by 7 is giving us 84,000 naira. We need U-box, 7 packets of U-box, and a packet costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 7 is giving us 21,000 naira. We need 3 by 3 Noka box, 14 packets of 3 by 3 Noka box, and a packet costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 14 is giving us 42,000 naira. We need 3 by 6 Noka box, 14 packets of 3 by 6 Noka box, and a packet costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 14 is giving us 42,000 naira. We need looping box, 4 packets of looping box, and a packet costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 4 is giving us 12,000 naira. We need cooker units. We need 1 cooker unit, and 1 cooker unit costs 6,500, giving us 6,500. We need coupler. We need 3 packets of coupler, and 1 costs 3,000 naira. So 3,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 9,000 naira. We need control switch, 1 box of control switch, and 1 costs 83,000 naira, giving us 83,000 naira. So for the piping for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need a total of 299,500 naira. 299,500 naira. And for the workmanship, we need 70,000 naira. So 70,000 naira plus 299,500 naira, we have 369,500 naira. So we need a total of 369,500 naira for the piping for this 4-bedroom bungalow. Now let's move over to the plastering. The plastering for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need cement, 100 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 multiplied by 100 is giving us 950,000 naira. We need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 6 trips, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 6 is giving us 420,000 naira. We need bamboo, 100 pieces of bamboo, and a piece of bamboo costs 700 naira. So 700 multiplied by 100 is giving us 70,000 naira. We need binding wire, 1 roll of binding wire, and a roll costs 37,000 naira, giving us 37,000 naira. We need mud sand, this one for the plastering. We need mud sand, One trip of mud sand, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 1 is giving us 70,000 naira. We need 4 inches nail, one bag of 4 inches nail, and a bag costs 35,000 naira, giving us 35,000 naira. So for the plastering, we need 1,582,000 naira. 1,582,000 naira. Then the workmanship, we need 1 million naira. So when you add 1 million naira to 1,582,000 naira, we have 2,582,000 naira. 2,582,000 naira for the plastering. Now let's move over to the wiring. The wiring of this 4-bedroom bungalow. We need 1 mm yellow wire, 9 bundles of 1 mm yellow wire, and a bundle costs 21,000 naira. So 21 multiplied by 9 is giving us 189,000 naira. We need 1.5 red, 13 bundles of 1.5 red, and a bundle costs 29,000. So 29,000 multiplied by 13 is giving us 377,000 naira. We need 1.5 black, 9 bundles of 1.5 black, and a bundle costs 29,000 naira. So 29,000 multiplied by 9 is giving us 261,000 naira. We need 6 mm red, 2 bundles of 6 mm red, and a bundle costs 118,000 naira. So 118,000 naira multiplied by 2 is giving us 236,000 naira. We need mm red, 2 bundles of 6 mm red, and a bundle costs 118,000 naira. So 118,000 naira multiplied by 2 is giving us 236,000 naira. We need 6 mm black, 2 bundles of 6 mm black, and a bundle costs 118,000 naira. So 118,000 multiplied by 2 is giving us 236,000 naira. We need TV cable, 2 bundles of two TV cables, and one costs 16,500. So 16,500 multiplied by 2 is giving us 33,000 naira. We need 2.5 black, 9 bundles of 2.5 black, and a bundle costs 48,000 naira. So 48 multiplied by 9 is giving us 432,000 naira. 432,000 naira. So for the wiring of this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need 2,292,000 naira. 2,292,000 naira. Then for the workmanship, we need 250,000 naira. So when you add 250,000 naira to 2,292,000 naira, we have 2,542,000 naira. 2,542,000 naira for the wiring of this 4-bedroom bungalow. Now let's move over to the windows. The windows for this 4-bedroom bungalow, for all the rooms, we need 1,200 by 1,200. That is the size of this particular the windows. 1,200 by 1,200, and we need 8 1,200 by 1,200, and 1 1,200 by 1,200 costs 145,000 naira. So 145,000 naira multiplied by 8 is giving us 1,160,000 naira. Then for the living rooms, we have the ante room and the main living room and dining. So for this one, we are using 1,200 by 1,500. That is the size of the windows, and we need 6, and 6, one costs 160,000 naira. So 160,000 naira multiplied by 6 is giving us 960,000 naira. Then for the kitchen, we are using 1,200 by 1,500. That is the size of the window, and we need one pair, and one costs 160,000 naira, giving us 160,000 naira. For the toilet, we need 600 by 750. That is the size of the window, and we need 5, and one costs 60,000 naira. So 60,000 multiplied by 5 is giving us 300,000 naira. So for the windows, we need a total of 2,580,000 naira. 2,580,000 naira. Then for the workmanship, we need 350,000 naira. 350,000 naira. So when you add 350,000 naira to 2,580,000 naira, is giving us 2,930,000 naira. 2,930,000 naira for the windows. Now let's move over to the plumbing. The plumbing of this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need quarter pipes, 11 lengths of quarter pipes, and one length costs 2,500. So 2,500 multiplied by 11 is giving us 27,500 naira. We need 10 lengths of half pipes, 10 lengths of half pipes, and one costs 2,500. So 2,500 multiplied by 10 is giving us 25,000 naira. We need 19 meters of Henko pipe. We need 19 meters of Henko pipe, and 1 meter costs 700 naira. So 700 multiplied by 19 is giving us 13,300 naira. We need 31 3/4 elbow. 31 3/4 elbow, and one costs 200 naira. So 200 multiplied by 31 is giving us 6,200 naira. We need 3/4 T, 23 3/4 T, and 1 3/4 T costs 300 naira. So 300 multiplied by 23 is giving us 6,900 naira. We need 3/4 by half elbow. 3/4 by half elbow, we need 23, and one costs 200 naira. So 200 multiplied by 23 is giving us 4,600 naira. We need 3/4 by half T. 3/4 by half T, we need 6, and one costs 300 naira. So 300 multiplied by 6 is giving us 1,800 naira. We need 3/4 by half MSF elbow. 3/4 by half MSF elbow, and we need 6, and 1 costs 200 naira. So 200 multiplied by 6 is giving us 1,200 naira. We need 1.5 T, 1.5 T, and we need 13, and 1 costs 400 naira. So 400 multiplied by 13 is giving us 5,200 naira. We need Henko MSF elbow. We need 6 Henko MSF elbow, and 1 costs 2,000 naira. So 2,000 multiplied by 6 is giving us 12,000 naira. We need Henko elbow, 6 Henko elbow, and 1 costs 2,000 naira. So 2,000 multiplied by 6 is giving us 12,000 naira. We need 1.5 bend. 1.5 bend, we need 27, and 1 costs 300 naira. So 300 multiplied by 27 is giving us 8,100 naira. We need 1.5 floor drain. 1.5 floor drain, and 1 costs 27,000 naira. So 27 multiplied by 1,000 is giving us 27,000 naira. We need medium agbo gum, 3 medium agbo gum, and 1 costs 9,000 naira. So 9,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 27,000 naira. So for the plumbing of this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need 177,800 naira. 177,800 naira. Then for the workmanship, we need 90,000 naira. 90,000 naira. So when you add 90,000 naira to 177,800 naira, it's giving us 267,800 naira. 267,800 naira for the plumbing of this 4-bedroom bungalow. Now let's move over to the screeding. The screeding for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need POP paint, 25 drums of POP paint, and 1 drum costs 5,500 naira. So 5,500 multiplied by 25 is giving us 137,500 naira. We need 50 kg top bond. We need 14 50 kg top bond, and 1 costs 126,000 naira. So 126,000 multiplied by 14 is giving us 1,764,000 naira. 1,764,000 naira. We need water seal, 32 kg water seal, and 1 kg costs 12,000 naira. So 12,000 multiplied by 32 is giving us 384,000 naira. 384,000 naira. We need cement, 3 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 10,000 naira. So 10,000 multiplied by 3 is giving us 30,000 naira. So for the screeding of this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need 2,315,500 naira. 2,315,500 naira. And then for the workmanship, we need 250,000 naira. 250,000 naira. So when you add 250,000 naira to 2,315,500 naira, is giving us 2,565,500 naira. 2,565,500 naira for the screeding of this 4-bedroom bungalow. Now let's move over to the tiles. The tiles for this 4-bedroom bungalow, for the living rooms, the anteroom, the main living room, and the dining, we are using 60 by 60 tiles. 60 by 60 tiles, and we need 150 cartons of 60 by 60, and 1 carton costs 6,000 naira. So 6,000 multiplied by 150 is giving us 900,000 naira. For all the rooms in this, the 4 rooms in this 4-bedroom bungalow, we are using 60 by 60 tiles, the same type of tiles, and we need 150 cartons. 150 cartons, and 1 carton costs 6,000 naira. So 6,000 multiplied by 150 is giving us 900,000 naira. For the kitchen, we are using 25 by 40 tiles, and we need 45 cartons, and 1 carton costs 5,000 naira. So 5,000 multiplied by 45 is giving us 225,000 naira. For the bedrooms, all the bedrooms, we are using 25 by 40 tiles, and we need 48 cartons, and 1 carton costs 5,000 naira. So 5,000 multiplied by 48 is giving us 240,000 naira. For all the balconies, we need 60 by 60 tiles, and we are using 100 cartons, and 1 carton costs 6,000 naira. So 6,000 multiplied by 100 is giving us 600,000 naira. We need cement. 3 bags of cement, and a bag of cement costs 9,500 naira. So 9,500 multiplied by 3 is giving us 28,500 naira. We need sharp sand, 8 tons of the 6-tire tipper of sharp sand, and we need 1 trip, and a trip costs 70,000 naira. So 70,000 multiplied by 1 is giving us 70,000 naira. So for the tiles, we need a total of 2,963,500 naira. 2,963,500 naira. Then for the workmanship, we need 120,000 naira. 120,000 naira. So when you add 120,000 naira to 2,963,500 naira, it's giving us 3,083,500 naira. 3,083,500 naira for the tiles for this 4-bedroom bungalow. And let's move over to the doors. The doors, for the main doors in this 4-bedroom bungalow, we are using Israeli door, and we are using 1, one Israeli door for the main door, and one Israeli door costs 720,000 naira. So 720,000 multiplied by 1 is giving us 720,000. Then in between the ante room and the main sitting room, we are using Turkey special door, and we're using one, and one costs 600,000 naira. So 600 multiplied by 1 is giving us 600. For all the rooms we are using waxing doors, and we need four waxing doors, and one costs 90,000 naira. So 90,000 multiplied by 4 is giving us 360,000 naira. For the kitchen, we're also using waxing door for the kitchen, and we need one, and one costs 90,000, giving us 90,000 naira. Then for the bedrooms, we are using China toilet door for the bedrooms, and we need five, and one costs 85,000 naira. So 85,000 multiplied by 5 is giving us 425,000 naira. So for the doors for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we need 2,195,000 naira. 2,195,000 naira. Then for the workmanship, that is the installation of these doors, we need 280,000 naira. 280,000 naira for the workmanship. So when you add 280,000 naira to 2,195,000 naira, it's giving us 2,475,000 naira. 2,475,000 naira for the doors for this 4-bedroom bungalow. Now let's move over to the painting. The painting, we are using satin paint, just satin paint, and we need 8 drums of satin paint, and one drum costs 60,000 naira. So 60 multiplied by 8 is giving us 480,000 naira. So 480,000 naira. And for the workmanship, we need 120,000 naira. So when you add 120,000 naira to 480,000 naira, is giving us 600,000 naira. 600,000 naira for the painting for this 4-bedroom bungalow. So let's add everything up. For this 4-bedroom bungalow, from foundation to DPC, we got a total of 5,147,000 naira. For the German floor, we got a total of 990,000 naira. For the lintel, we got a total of 5,192,000 naira. For the parapet, we got a total of 2,571,500 naira. For the roofing, the woodwork, we got a total of 5,060,000 naira. For the roofing sheet, we got a total of 2,827,000 naira. For the piping, we got a total of 369,500 naira. For the plastering, we got a total of 2,582,000 naira. For the wiring, we got a total of 2,542,000 naira. For the windows, we got a total of 2,930,000 naira. 2,930,000 naira. For the plumbing, we got a total of 267,800 naira. For the screeding, we got a total of 2,565,500 naira. For the tiles, we got a total of 3,083,500 naira. For the doors, we got a total of 2,475,000 naira. 2,475,000 naira. For the painting, we got a total of 600,000 naira. 600,000 naira for the painting. So adding everything up, for this 4-bedroom bungalow, we got a total of 39,202,800 naira. So the total cost of building this 4-bedroom bungalow here in Nigeria in January 2025 is 39,202,800 naira. 39,202,800 naira. This is excluding water, transportation, any other. It's even excluding sockaway, the generator house, your borehole. It's excluding all of that, excluding your washing sink, interior designing, excluding all of that. This is just the practical packing stage, practical completion stage. We got a total of 39,202,800 naira for this 4-bedroom bungalow here in Nigeria. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, if you need a very good engineer to handle your building project, I will highly recommend engineer Mewerium. His phone number will always be on the screen, also in the description box. Okay, please like this video so that more people can see it, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I post a new video. Okay, subscribe for more informations like this. If you have any question, put it down for me in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Help me share. Okay, share this video with your friends, your family members, anyone at all you know will find this video helpful. Please help me share with them. Okay, I love you guys so much, and Jesus loves you, you know that. Okay, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Peace out.